Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel Decode ITES. Decode ITES provides you single learning platform for multiple IT technologies. My name is Rohit Garg and I am having 13 years of experience as database administrator, database developer and trainer. You can also follow us on my personal blog MS SQL Fun. Today we will discuss SQL Server addition and components. This is our next topic in continuation of SQL Server learning series. Microsoft released multiple additions with each SQL Server version. These additions are completely based on their business strategy and market requirements. We can see in past Microsoft released some of the new additions and those additions gone away with next version. And this is completely based on their business strategy. The first one is Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition is topmost edition with all available features. The all advanced features and whatever features will be there in this version will be a part of Enterprise Edition. This is best suited for your mission critical tier 1 application. Enterprise Edition is capable for tremendous hardware scale up. In my career, I got a chance to see one of OLTP system with 160 processors and 4 TB of RAM, and SQL Server Enterprise Edition is supporting it. You can imagine the application load, user load on that particular system, and SQL Server is successfully working and running over that application. This example shows the stability of this product. The next one is Standard Edition. Standard Edition is economic edition of SQL Server with limitation of hardware support and advanced features. In case your application database is not using any advanced features, you are good to use it. In my last 13 years of experience, I saw 80 to 90% of application load and application can sustain over enterprise, can sustain over standard edition. Next one is Developer Edition. Developer Edition is similar to Enterprise Edition with all features. This edition is completely free and introduced by Microsoft for testing, development and demo perspective. You can upgrade it to Enterprise Edition as and when required. Production use of Developer Edition is strictly prohibited. Introduction of Developer Edition is a kind of business strategy to provoke application developers to use SQL Server as backend support. The next one is Express Edition. Express Edition is one of the legacy edition which comes free. You need not to pay anything for Express Edition. Express Edition comes up with very little hardware and feature support. This is best suited for your mobile and small web applications. You can sustain up to only 10 GB of database in Express Edition, and some of very crucial features like SQL agent for scheduling functionality was also missing. The next one is Enterprise Evolution Edition. This is again similar to Enterprise Edition. This comes free of cost and you need not to pay anything for this. This is a great way to test and develop your application against enterprise features. You can upgrade it to Enterprise Edition as and when required with a valid key. The only limitation is this edition comes up with 6 months of expiry, 180 days. You need to ensure that you will upgrade your system before the expiry date, otherwise you will not be able to access your SQL instance. So friends, these 5 are the latest available editions of SQL Server. SQL Server components. SQL Server is Microsoft IDBMS product which works on client-server architecture. Here, end user or a client sends a request to SQL instance and SQL instance processes that request and sends the output back to client machine or user. We need to understand this architecture before discussing SQL components because SQL components can be divided into two parts. We have some of components which are solely client components and some components are solely or primarily belong to server components or server tool. So client machine or user can use in-house developed or any web vendor developed application, SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Profiler, and any other tool to connect to SQL Server. And at the server side, SQL Server Engine, SQL Server Reporting Services, SQL Server Analytical Services, SQL Server Database Engine, Browser. These are the server tool and server components. Like we discussed, SQL components can be divided into a two-part, client work or workstation and server types. In client component, which are installed or used at a client side or for the user or by the user to connect to SQL Server or to send request to SQL Server. Some of them are like SSMS, Management Studio, a GUI-based interface to connect SQL instance. Profiler. Profiler is a client tool to monitor transactions running on server. This is one of useful tool for auditing and performance checks. DTA, Database Tuning Advisor, is a DBA tool that helps you to analyze the query or database load to suggest performance improvement changes. BIDS, BIDS is Business Intelligence Development Studio, a powerful BI tool. This tool can be used to connect your reports, cubes, and SSIS ETL packages. There may be a list of other client components as well. Any application or any in-house application developed or any vendor application or any connection by which you can connect to SQL Server, that may be your Excel, that may be your any basic UDL connection, UDL file connection, can be considered as a client component here. In server components are completely installed on primary server where SQL engine is running. One is SQL Service, the primary service in which SQL Database Engine runs and performs the basic database activities. SQL Server Agent is a dependent service of SQL Server. This is responsible for scheduling feature. You can use agent for the scheduling of your jobs or schedule tasks. SQL Server Browser is an important service for security and accessibility point. When browser is enabled, the incoming connection need not to mention the running port. Browser can itself detect the running SQL Server running port and connects you to there. SSAS is a OLAP feature which helps in data mining and analytics. SQL Server Reporting Services is used to develop reports and report subscriptions. SQL Server Integration Services (SSIS). SSIS is ETL tool, extract transform. You can develop your in-house ETL using bits and execute them using SSIS. ETLs can be developed on the basis of your business logic. So these are the list of SQL Server components provided by Microsoft under the SQL Server header. So friends, this is the end of our today's session where we discussed SQL Server components and available additions.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment our videos. Also subscribe to our channel.